Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the music disc on Instagram story features are not showing. So as you know, now when you add music to your Instagram story, you can easily add the music disc animations to the Instagram stories. But if the feature is not working or is not showing on your Instagram, then you need to fix it using this solution that I'm going to tell you. First, let's just close the Instagram app and then head to the Play Store if you are on Android, or open the App Store if you are using iOS or iPhone. Here, click on search and search for Instagram app. And then you need to open it and make sure that you already on the latest version. But if you see update in here, then you need to update the Instagram app so that you can get the newest features on Instagram. Okay, after you install the update, you can relaunch the Instagram app again and see if the problem is fixed. If it's not, then you can go to the settings on your phone, and then you can scroll down until you find the app settings and just open the app settings of Instagram. Okay, so in here you need to go to the storage and cache and try to clear the cache, because sometime by clearing the cache it might solve your app problems. You can also try to clear the storage, but when you do that, you'll be logged out of your Instagram account and you need to re-log in when you want to open it. Okay, you can also check if your phone or system needs also update. If there is any update available on your phone system, you can try to reinstall the update first, and you can after that switch off the Instagram or delete Instagram from your phone and reinstall it again. Or before you reinstall the Instagram app, you can try to restart your phone first, and then after that you can reinstall Instagram apps. So guys, that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. You can also leave a comment if you still have questions, and please don't forget to click or subscribe to our channel and click on the thanks button to keep supporting our channel. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.